First up, we have roadmap.sh. If you have ever felt lost or didn't know what to learn next or where to learn it from, this is the fix for that. It's this massive interactive flowcharts which tells you exactly what skills you need for each of these skills. You want to learn front end, you have everything you need from start to the end. You want to learn full stack developer, there it is. What about if you want to learn blockchain developer? It's all there. Cybersecurity, here it is. Or maybe you just want to learn C++ so AI cannot take your job. Guess what? Here it is. It stops you from learning random tech stack that doesn't fit together. Speaking of learning stuff we tend to avoid, let's look at the algorithms. We all hate grinding lead code, right? This repo breaks down every major algorithm in pretty much any language you want. Python, Java, Go, TypeScript, C++, any language. It's clean, it's open source, and it's way better than reading a dusty notebook. Okay, once you know the theory, you gotta start building, right? This is Build Your Own X. This is one of my favorite repos on the entire internet. It teaches you how to build your own stuff, your own Docker, database, Git. You could learn how to make a 3D renderer or maybe a database. You can make your own Git or maybe a text editor. How about just make your own browser when you are done with Chrome's shit? If that's too intense for you, you can check out project-based learning. You pick your language, say Go or React, and it gives you a list of tutorials where you can build a real app from start to finish. Let's say, for example, you pick Go. You can create a real-time chat app with Golang, Angular 2 and WebSocket. You can build a blockchain in Go. You can start building a chat application in Go, and way many more. Next up, because I know we are all cheap, free for dev. This repo basically lists all the services that are offering free tiers for developers. Not a free trial though, where they ask for a credit card, but actual free tiers. From cloud management solutions to code generation to checking your code quality to design a UI, free emails, fonts, log management systems, testing tools, free web hosting, free game development tools, and many more. Before you pay for a tool for your side project, check this list. You can probably get it for $0. And since you need data for those side projects you're making, here's public APIs. It's exactly what it sounds like, a collective list of free APIs for everything from animal data to anime stuff to authentication, blockchain, books, calendars, cloud storages, email APIs, finance stuff, news, programming, science and math, and many more. We have to mention the OG next. This is the awesome list by Sindre Sorhus. This list basically links out to other awesome lists. If you are getting into a new technology, find the awesome list for it first. For example, awesome list for programming languages, front-end development, back-end development, computer science, gaming, entertainment, databases, media, security, business, networking, and way more stuff. Alright, let's speed run the rest of these because there are some absolute gems left. Best websites a programmer should visit. It's a meta list, news, tutorials, documentary sites, challenge sites. It's like the bookmark bar you wish you had. Awesome AI tools. This space moves too fast to keep up with, so just use a repo like this. It tracks the latest LLMs, image generators, and prompt engineering guides so you don't fall behind. Design resources for developers because let's be honest, our side projects usually look terrible. This has free fonts, color palettes, stock photos, frameworks, stock videos, libraries, and anything you might need. Next up, we have awesome open source alternative. This is basically a list of every open source project or app you can find that will replace your day-to-day using apps. For example, you have open source alternatives for Facebook like Mastodon or Convo, or maybe the alternative of GitHub itself like GitLab, or maybe you can use the alternative of Google Docs like CryptPad, OnlyOffice, or for Google Drive you can use Nextcloud, and so on and so forth. And last but not the least, the Book of Secret Knowledge. Finally, the most mysteriously named one, the Book of Secret Knowledge. It sounds a bit dramatic, but actually look at this CLI tools section. This is actually a killer collection of CLI tools. If you want to look like a wizard in the terminal, spend 10 minutes fiddling with these. Real quick pro tip before I go, don't just star these repos and forget them. That's gonna be the digital equivalent of buying a book and never reading it. Pick one from this list, maybe build your own X and start making something this weekend. That's more than 1,000 stars.